Hey everyone, this is Alex from Ford Mustang Garage, and today we're going to be putting on a new timing chain and gear set on this small block 289 Ford. So the first thing that I do is get my crankshaft and camshaft into position. On the crankshaft you're going to have your woodruff key pointed straight up, and on your camshaft you're going to have your dowel pin pointed straight down. This is going to put your number one cylinder up to top dead center for compression stroke. And so what we're going to be installing today is a double roller timing chain. This is from Sealed Power. Very nice unit here. And I like to set these up in the chains already, so that way when you pull it tight I can see that my chain is where it needs to be, with my timing marks are going to be pointed right at each other. Like so here. Now on this particular unit it's keyed three ways on your crankshaft to allow to retard or advance the timing, but we're using the stock application, so we're going to be using the stock timing marks according to the instructions here. So then this timing mark will point directly at this timing mark here for your cam gear. So I like to put a little bit of oil here on the crankshaft because sometimes these new gears can be a little difficult to slide on, but we start by doing that, and then we are going to get the cam gear on. So I get my dowel pin started. Sometimes you gotta have this just right, and it has to kind of go on evenly because this is a brand new very tight chain. Sometimes you have to kind of give her a little tap, light tapping with your rubber mallet. You shouldn't have to hammer something on, otherwise there could be another issue. Just kind of work it back and forth, just like that. Timing mark and timing mark should be pointed right at each other. She is nice and tight. She is in all the way and not hitting anything. The next thing that would be going on would be your, this is called an oil slinger. It is keyed. Goes right over the crank, just like that. And then if you're running a mechanical fuel pump, you would be running this, this is a cam for a mechanical fuel pump that would bolt right through the camshaft. And so once you have that on there, that would be the last thing, and of course torquing your bolt to specifications would have you properly set up for your timing chain gears, and then you'd be ready for a timing cover. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment below, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.